Hey, how's it going? As you can see here, got a box of 2018 Topps Tribute Baseball. I'll go ahead and rip into this. Pretty cool, it just came out this week. I was actually in a group break for one of these for a full case, and it was pretty brutal. So we'll see how this turns out. The checklist this year is pretty okay, nothing special it seems like. In that one case break, there was like literally not one $100 card that I can remember, or $200 card. No Aaron Judge, no Bryant's, no Bellingers, no Sandy Koufax. It was brutal. So thought I'd give a shot on a box, because I usually like to rip one box per year at least. Tribute has treated me pretty good in the past, that is for sure. Gotten some pretty nice one-of-ones out of it in the past, and yeah, see how this one works out for me. So you get 3 on-card autographs and 3 memorabilia cards per box. These are not cheap either. But yeah, should be fun rip. Definitely high-end. Here we go. Wish me luck. Let's just go start in the middle here. Nice packages. Let's see, where's the odds? Right here. Let's see if open this halfway for y'all, and you can freeze frame it once it focuses in on that. There we go. Hopefully you can read that okay. Cool. Let's see what I get. So 3 autos and 3 relics per box. Alright, so right up front we got a Roberto Clemente. Cards themselves, the base cards look nice. Nice and shiny there, as you can see in reflection. Looks pretty snazzy. So go behind that, Cal Ripken. Looks pretty good there. Nice looking base cards, really shiny. And let's see what the hit is. See, they have these things on them. So I guess I gotta flip it. See what I got. Oh! Oh, dang. Nice card though. I was hoping it'd be an auto. That's a pretty sick duel. Albert Pujols, Mike Trout. Nice card there. 22 of 99. Saw Trout and I was like, ooh, could it be an auto? Here's the back. Nice looking cards, that's for sure. Just you better hope you hit something nice, or it's pretty brutal usually. Alright, pack number 2. Bert Blyleven up top. Josh Donaldson up back, I saw. Let's put this over here. See what the hit is. Kind of see right there, looks like something. Number 71 of 150. Nice Chipper Jones stamp. It's cool. MLB stamp there, so I can go look up the authentication and see what game it was used in. So that's always cool. Started doing that. For the stamp of approval cards, there's that other base. Alright, so we got 2 relics so far. Alright, up top we got Justin Verlander. Whoop! Don't want to see that yet. And up back, stuck to it there, Lorenzo Cain. And let's see what this one is. Looks like another triple. Another, I don't know, 63 of 150. Ken Griffey Jr. That's a beauty. Boom. That makes my box for me. Maybe not value-wise, but definitely happy with that card. Awesome. Nice triple relic. Bat jersey jersey. Cool. Nice. Nice box so far. Wow, really nice box as far as relics are concerned. Chipper Jones, Pujols, Trout, Ken Griffey Jr. His last 3 packs will be autos. All right. Justin Smoke. Back I saw was Kershaw. Nice. All right. Let's go ahead and, there we go, get rid of that one. Do this, and let's see what the auto is. Upside down. 142 of 150. Oakland A's. Dustin Fowler. Not sure who that is. Must be, yep, he's a rookie. One thing I don't like so far, I've seen a lot of these cards, it's huge white space there. Kind of looks funky when the auto is a little tiny like that one. And also when you see a bunch of them like stacked up in a grid, it looks a little weird still. So I don't know if I like the autos as much because there's a lot of white space there. Alright, let's see what pack 5 has. Jake Lamb. Is that Billy Williams? Yep. 75 of 99. So I got a numbered card there. Alright. Let's see what we got. Ooh, what is this? Is this an old timer? Hall of Famer? Ooh. Ooh, nice. Roberto Alomar. It's a shadow box. Nice. You can actually see the shadow on there. Nice card. That one looks really cool. 38 of 40. Get a nice close up here. See the shadow right there in the shadow box. It's 2 cards, one on top. That's clear that he signed. Gives it some depth. That's a sweet card. I'm already digging this box. A lot of older guys, retired guys. Last pack. Here we go. Let me zoom this out just a tad again. All right, up top we got Adrian Beltre. Behind that, Hank Aaron. That's a beautiful looking card there. All right, do the flip. Let's see what we got. Waiting for the focus. There we go. Galarraga, 30 of 199. So, looks a little better that he filled out that huge white space. But nice box. I think it's going to be really hard for anybody to make their money back on these. It's pretty rough value-wise, but got some cool cards here. Nice Galarraga. Sweet Roberto Alomar, like that. Dustin Fowler auto. Numbered to 150. Sweet, sweet Ken Griffey Jr. It's a nice one. Triple relic. Cool Chipper Jones as well, which I'll check the number on that, the authentication. See what game that was played in, and started it all off with this dual relic from Trout and Pujols. Overall, pretty fair box. Probably better than most, I would say, from just what I've seen. But cool, thanks for watching this one box break of 2018 Topps Tribute Baseball. Catch y'all later. Peace.